Hey everybody, as you can see, we're in a different part of the kitchen than I normally film. That's because I got another video going on over there, filming my Chef Mickey's mashed potatoes, Parmesan mashed potatoes. So, it's Thanksgiving. I gotta multitask. I got things I gotta do. So, cranberry sauce, corner of the kitchen, in, ta-da, the Instant Pot. This is the epitome of easy. This is a dump and go recipe. You take your washed cranberries, you dump all the ingredients from the recipe. I'll throw it down in the description. It's easier than going over it here. You cook it for 5 minutes. Let it do a natural pressure release for about 10 to 15 minutes. Stir, and you're done. Cranberry sauce over. So simple. Let's go ahead and get to it. 2 bags of cranberries, fresh, washed and rinsed, and you go through them and you make sure you look for crappy ones. There's going to be some that are shriveled and look terrible. Get rid of those. Open your Instant Pot. I'm using the blue ring. This is my dessert ring. I don't want my cranberry sauce to taste like beef roast, so blue ring. Cranberries in the pot. White sugar, brown sugar, nutmeg and cinnamon, vanilla extract, good old-fashioned orange juice. Pop it all in the Instant Pot. Give it a stir. Mix it up nice. Break up that brown sugar. Five minutes. Done.
This is such little effort for such a better product than actual joke. It's done. You do it the day before, throw it in the fridge, and you get awesome cranberry sauce. Enjoy.
For more recipes and videos, visit dadgotthis.com. To be sure you don't miss anything, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the damn bell. I double dog dare you. Come on, you have to do it. It was a double dog dare. I mean, those are the rules.